out of high school, went to the military. Basically, didn't work out that way, but ended up being a 20-year career for me. It's a little bit rough trying to get reintegrated, re-networked, trying to figure out where, who's hiring, who isn't these days. Eventually, I just came to the conclusion, I need to utilize more of my local resources. So, Chamber of Commerce came to mind. I remember seeing the sign on the street. Networking is by far the strongest ingredient when it comes to trying to find jobs. It's by far, it knocks everything else to the side. Online is actually the weakest chances you have, and I've tried that for about a month with 50, so I lost track. It was a lot of applications. I managed to get one interview for a temp position. And that's when I came to the realization, this isn't working out. I need to network. I need to try to find people that know where there's work at. Definitely helped me get the ball rolling, certainly. Part of the networking, of course, that's the networking aspect of the job search, which is, of course, is probably the most important.